Where are you going?
Hey everyone, it's Skyee here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a book by an artist called Alena Lazareva. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. So she had put up a post on Facebook and I contacted her and she has sent me 3 books to review. So today we're going to do the first one, and if you're interested in seeing the other 2, keep an eye out for that. I do like to color at least 1 page in the books when I do reviews. So that is why there is a little bit of a wait, but I finally finished the page that I've been coloring in this one. This is Ladies of Nature, and it's a grayscale coloring book. When I messaged her, I did tell her that I would probably be more suited for just normal line work because I'd never done grayscale before. So she said she'd send me a couple of grayscale books to practice and try out, so definitely challenging there. So this is what the cover looks like. Absolutely beautiful, and then on the back it's got this really beautiful girl, and then it also has her website on the back. I was a little bit odd to see that it didn't have her name on the front. She's just got her title and then that it's a grayscale coloring book. So then when we dive in, it tells you that it includes 2 full sets of the 23 illustrations. And then it also shows here that she has a Facebook group. I don't think I've joined that quite yet, but I will. So it's a group for sharing inspiration, tips, techniques, and more. And then there is free coloring pages in her group as well, so that's pretty interesting. So we'll do a flip through of the images here. And I'll probably just go through the first set. They're absolutely gorgeous. I had a tough time picking which one I wanted to color. This is the same girl that's on the back. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. I almost colored it, but I figured it would probably take me quite a while, so I tried to find a more simpler page, one that I could still test pretty much all the mediums that I have. I kind of threw everything at it. I really like this one too. So I love the different nature aspects that she puts into these pages. And then the detail is just amazing. This is another one of my favorites, of course, because you guys know that I love cats. And I love the branches coming out from behind her arms. I really like this one as well. Well, I like all of the pages, but some of these just stand out a little bit more to me. So this is the one that I colored. So I took almost everything I had and kind of threw it at it. This is all Prismacolor here, and then this fish, I kind of did him as a skin tone fish because I used my polychromos. All I have is like 6 or 7 skin tone pencils, so I used polychromos for this fish, Derwent Inktense for this one, marker for this. For the grass, I used the Black Widows, and the coral here I used the Marco Raffines, and then for the background I used pastels. So with using water, the Inktense kind of bled through a little bit. You can kind of see just a shadow of it. Of course the marker bled through, but it is a single-sided book, so you could definitely get away with using marker. I didn't have a problem with anything on this page. Everything that I tried on it, it worked out really good. And I feel like this is pretty good considering this is my very first attempt at coloring grayscale. So I think my biggest challenge was the fact that there's no heavy lines between everything, and I found out while coloring this that I have come to really rely on line work, so it's definitely a challenge coloring this, but I had a blast. I love this one. I love ladybugs and these little flowers here. I want to say they're kind of like bluebells, but I'm not quite sure. Another one that I really love. Once I get better at fur, I'll definitely be tackling this one. So that is the first set of pages, and then it goes through the second set, and she even has in here share with a family member, color with a friend, enjoy coloring your favorite images a second time, have an extra copy in case you make a mistake. And I always love when artists include a second set of images because I tend to usually save my favorite ones in any book, whereas the ones with 2 pages I can dive right into my favorite ones because I know that I have another one to color. So it just goes through all of the pages again. And then in the back there is a little bit of information about Alena and her website, her accounts. She has PDF books and art prints available. And then here are some other coloring books that she has available. She has tons and they are all absolutely gorgeous. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through and review. I definitely love this. I think that this is even good for a beginner. Some of these pages are a little bit more detailed, but others aren't too bad. So I think that if you are a beginner at Greyscale, this would be really good, especially since you have 2 sets of pages, so you can practice on one set, and then when you're a little bit more confident, you can dive into that second set and really make them pop out. I definitely feel like I need a little bit more practice, but I am pretty happy with this. It took a little bit to finish. I felt a little bit discouraged at first, but I'm quite proud of how she turned out. So again, hope you guys enjoyed, and keep a lookout for the next 2 reviews that I will have coming up. One I will do a speed color for, and the other I'll just color an image in like I did with this one. So I hope to see you there. Alright guys, as always, take care. Bye!
Where are you going?